Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on a HP OfficeJet Pro 9010E. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can find on the front of the machine. So to get started we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, there'll be a home button icon illuminated here, so just press that to be taken here. We get to the ink level estimates by dragging down on the bar at the top of the screen. You can see there's an ink drop icon at the top, so press to go into that. And straight away you're presented with a visual representation of how much cyan, magenta, yellow and black ink the printer thinks is within the installed ink cartridges. Now this is an estimate based upon how many prints have been done from the installed cartridges and should give you a pretty good idea. If you're checking the estimate due to a print quality issue you're having, it's unlikely to be the cartridge running out prematurely. This range of cartridges should always be overfilled, as pulling air through a print head is very bad for it and can cause some serious issues. So any print quality issues are likely to be down to dried ink on the printer's print head or a small blockage in the print head or the lines running to it. In which case I'd recommend checking out our video on cleaning cycles and test pages, which we have on our channel. But I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.